My journey into cryptocurrency started a few years ago when I kept hearing buzz about Bitcoin and Ethereum. At first, it felt like a scam or some tech jargon I'd never grasped. So I did what anyone would do. I Googled it and watched videos. I realized cryptocurrency is just digital money, but it's also a revolutionary way to think about finance. My first investment? Just $50 in Bitcoin. I was terrified, checking the app every few minutes, worried I'd lost it all. But I learned to start small and only invest what I could afford to lose. I made mistakes too, chasing hype coins, not doing my own research, and ignoring security measures. What helped me was finding reliable information. I used CoinMarketCap, joined Reddit threads, and even listened to crypto podcasts while doing chores. I read white papers to understand projects better. Now, I'm not a millionaire, but I've built a portfolio I believe in and feel confident managing my investments. If you're curious about crypto, just start slow and keep learning. You've got this.